Josh Sheehan, captain of the Swansea City youth team to win the Youth Cup. You must be delighted.
Yeah, it means a lot to this club winning this trophies, and this is my third now, so hopefully they just keep going and going. I just picked it up from about 30 yards. I've took a touch and I just thought, just have a strike and I've caught it sweet and it's gone in. Every time we play in the Liberty, we haven't recently played to the best we can on the Liberty, but tonight we showed like we're a different class to them.
Fantastic! It's great to get the trophy back again. Really pleased with the way the boys played. You know, they kept the ball very well early on. We knew that TNS would come out, and they did. To be fair to them, they made it very difficult, but I think the quality in the end showed. And yeah, credit to our boys. They've worked very, very hard over a long season for that.
So proud of them. They've done wonders. They've done wonders to get here. All right, they're a bit outclassed today, but like I say, they've won the league, and then they've got to the Welsh Cup Final. So we're really pleased with them. They're going to learn from it. I just said to them out there how proud I was, and like I say, they're going to learn from this and move on and be better players for it.
And it's a busy couple of weeks coming up for you because you're on Wales duty next week.
Yeah, next week we've got 2 friendlies against Montenegro, and then the end of May then we got the Elite Euros. It's an honour every time you wear it, so yeah, just can't wait.
TNS came, as I said, they gave a really good account of themselves, but for this football club to win trophies is what we're all about. And I think, as I said before the game, that you know the academy is a key part of any football club, and the way that we're moving forward with that, you know, is testament to those boys out there today.